you can all probably guess what this is. It's a intercooler. But yeah, let's crack this open and see what's inside. What stuff we got in here then? Oh, the bolts to go in there. Simple. Extend your warranty. I'm alright, mate. I didn't realise it didn't close as well. Alright, let's get this bit open as well. See what all the excitement is about. Oh Christ, this is packed. Right, they do pack it very well, not gonna lie. Alright, I'll switch to the other camera. Right, we've got it. So, there we have it. Here's the intercooler by WagnerTuning. That's the boy. Yeah. It is considerably a lot bigger than the standard one. The reason I went for WagnerTuning is because they were the only, well, one of the only ones that showed a diagram of performance on how it cools it down, how much, like what's inside of this, like the tube and fin as well. The engineering that goes into these are pretty insane. So I didn't really have a choice other than to get this one, to be fair. For black, I probably won't get any stencils on the front. Just leave it nice and clean. Also, on this intercooler, Wagner do a OEM fitment. So pretty much the standard intercooler comes exactly the same as the shape of this, and these are in the exact right place. And what happens is you pull it out of the tube and there's a C-clip just holding it in around here. So it literally uses all factory settings, and it's a massive upgrade, so why wouldn't you? So the next thing, guys, is to get this installed in the car. So let's go and do that right about now.
Oh, your screw's gone.
Yeah, there's a few that's come out.
Might have to get you some new clips then, mate, because they were all tightened up.
Oh, are they?
Damn straight they were, boy. You haven't come for a bad service here, mate.
That is true, mate.
Yeah, there were a couple that, well, I remember sort of put a couple of them missing.
Seems like one more still, isn't it, Emma?
I think there is. Where is she? Oh, right in front of my face. It's gonna land on my head.
Hey.
It's all good. Oh, the guy's made me sick.
Yeah, mate.
Oh, mate, I can't wait one day. I get it.
So do you have to take the bolts out of that to get the fan off the back of it?
Yeah, just basically just giving myself a bit more room and obviously, you know, minimise the risk of breaking the cowling and making life a lot easier when removing the intercooler. Remove these.
I do.
I think that could well be just be the only bolt.
Seems like it.
Seems like it.
Beautiful.
Gives me a bit more.
I'll just show them underneath. So that's underneath. There's the standard cooler right there. All you need to do is the cowling. Oh, the cowling has come on. And then, yeah, there's just a few screws up in here. I'll show you in a sec.
Oh, the cowling's falling down. Don't you fall down, please. Fucking hell, get up. There she goes. Don't worry about that in a minute. Ow! Fucking hell. Oh,
There she goes. Comparing the two.
oh yeah, fuck.
It's got to be a massive difference, isn't it?
So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. How much thicker is it? Oh, it is a lot. It is thicker, mate.
Yeah, it's quite a lot thicker, isn't it?
It is thicker. Oh yeah, look at that, mate.
Yeah.
Quite a bit thicker, isn't it?
Right, chuck that one away. Put this bad boy in.
Oh, mate, that's good.
Ideal.
Got exactly the same seals as my car, mate.
Is it?
Yeah.
£30 ones? Fucking yeah, go on.
Probably fucking work BMW, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll seal all the seals that you needed for yours, mate. With fucking loads. Where's this fucking just fucking? Oh, that sits on there, doesn't it? Hello. Oh. Just clean all these down. These are pretty good, these seals. You can use them. Like, if you took it off again, you'd replace them, but
Yeah.
they look really good.
Ideal.
Yeah.
These screws in now.
Yes, mate. Just seeing if I can put it up with it because
Yeah.
I might not be able to. You're gonna have to pull him up, right up. Right. Oh, your camera thing fell over. Right. Oh, you're joking. I didn't even hit that fucking hard, mate.
So guys, you're probably all wondering what went kaboom and leaked all over my phone. It was this pipe. There was a little we had to glue it up to get me home, but it's literally just a prong here, and it was just snapped. And it looked like someone tried to like fix it before with the same stuff. So I've got a new one on there now already. I fitted that, but I just thought I'd give you an update. The intercooler is all in, but I'll go down and show you. Obviously the intercooler in, and terrible weather the other day, and yeah, so everything just went wrong. So it's all done. Let's go down and take a look, and yeah, let's do it. So this coolant pipe, that's what I had to replace, and yeah, that's what broke and leaked all that coolant over me. So the intercooler is actually done. You can just see it through there. It's already collected a few flies. So guys, this is the first drive with my new intercooler installed. Unfortunately, I like took it for couple drives like for a few days in a row, and it all seemed pretty well and good until I thought, oh yeah, I'll just floor it, and yeah, I'll show you what happens in a sec. But it's kind of a annoying thing because I know Swainer Lad wanted me to do a 0 to 60 in my car. I can try it, but I don't think there's any point because right, I'm in 3rd gear now. It normally happens in 3rd and 4th. Right, 2 seconds, let me just get in a safe area. Okay. See, literally, that was a little bit of flooring and the clutch is slipping. So unfortunately, Swainer, I'm gonna have to do the 0 to 60 as soon as I order this clutch, which will, well, I've ordered it already. I'll pop the little thing that I've bought up there. I'll tell you guys how much it costs and everything, because I don't know, I just don't see many YouTubers like buying parts and showing you how much they pay for them. So I thought that'd be an interesting thing for you guys to keep a track on how much I've actually spent, and then you can tell me how much money I've wasted. But yeah, literally that is pretty much it. Other than that, the intercooler has done a lot for the car. It sounds a lot better, it's smoother, the throttle response is a lot quicker. But yeah, obviously I can't tell you all the pros to it because my clutch is slipping. So yeah, we're gonna have to do that. It won't be in the next video because I've already done the PCB valve for that. I just need to edit it and upload it, so you'll see that after this. I've ordered the clutch, hopefully it comes within the next couple of days. I'll get Ben to fit it, and yeah, I'll do a proper install video on this one because it's a lot of money. And also I'll tell you about the plans of the car in the next video, really, because I haven't sat down and had a chat with you guys about what I'm going to do to it, where I want it to go, and all stuff like that. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like. It does help me out a lot. All the comments, I don't know, it just gives me something to do. Like, I love replying to you guys and listening to what you've got to say, and any input is sweet as fuck. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.